Okay, so Priya, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, as you know, this is Priya Gupta, and I have a startup known as Mano. I don't think so. Is anyone there?
No, only you and me, I guess. But some people joined, like Naman, Hari sir, Atul sir, they joined, right? I saw them joining.
Hi.
Where are they now? Hello.
Yeah, they left now, I guess. They have left now, I guess, no?
The video ended and they left. Are they feeling
They
shy
have
or what?
left now, no?
Yeah, I guess they left just now.
Okay. Yeah. Anything else we have to discuss?
Yeah. So let me introduce myself. Myself, Orithum Mukherjee. I am from Kolkata, and right now I am pursuing BBA at Entrepreneurship from ILIT College. And after graduation, I would like to start my own business.
Okay. Aritro means like which business you wanted to start means you have thought anything?
Uh, Mental health, online business. It would
What?
be a mental health firm. Mental health.
Okay, mental anything means specific in that which is not yet in India or in the start.
Can you repeat the question again?
Yeah, anything else means like what is the uniqueness in your startup which you have thought?
Uniqueness would be like I could use the digital marketing to connect the therapist and the patient together. And also, I am planning to use the help of machine learning and artificial intelligence to develop AI chatbots, AI therapists. That's my
Okay,
plan as of now.
it would be, yeah, it would be a market of doctor and a patient, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so let us discuss about today's topic right now. Okay, so Priya ma'am, tell me what do you understand about Red Bull? What's your conception?
Yeah, it's an energy drink and it is holding a process like it is for the prime customer, like it is I have learned in my MBA that it is for a 100% people. It is for the upper class people who overly shows means in India as well or in any country. People wanted to show their like how superior they are, and it's kind of like in my family it's not kind of means it's kind of like show off to anyone, and Red Bull is that kind of product that I don't think so it gives you energy uh, like like anything means in India like milk can give, but you have to pay 125 rupees is very high in, and because people are purchasing that to just show off. They might be not drinking the Red Bull in their home. Either they could be drinking milk, but I think they are doing show off for drinking Red Bull. That's my conceptual thought.
So why do you think the price is so high?
No, I don't think price is high means because they are investing into marketing and all the things. That's why the prices are high. That's why because as we saw in the video or as well, I know about Red Bull that they are investing very much um, in the marketing, in the events and all the things, and they are having a huge profit that way. That's why you can buy a 60 rupees like capsule for 12 days or 30 piece in that, and you can just get that energy. It is not an energy drink, it's a drink which give you instant power or instant energy. that is not good for health as well.
So why do you think it's not good for health?
Yeah. But
Energy
the
drink?
marketing, no, it's not. It is. You can search over there. It's the instant energy is not good for anyone. You can search over there.
Okay,
It's
so
my yeah, yeah.
so when a person feel tired, so you think that coffee could provide more energy than Red Bull?
I no, it's upon the conception. Means like you can take turmeric milk as well. That can provide more energy, and that cannot be good for your means. Your any doctor has recommended you to drink Red Bull if you are a
No, no,
patient or you wanted
not at all.
energy. No, no, but they have recommended to take turmeric milk, right? I'm not, yeah, but the product they go higher because their product was good. I just wanted to say, product was good, like for the teenagers, and the marketing was good. Their marketing, events, and sponsorship, everything was good. And like we wanted to hang out, and when we hang out, we will not take obviously turmeric milk, but we will take Red Bull or Pepsi or Cola. Instead of Pepsi or Cola, people take right now Red Bull because it has some wine properties, I guess so. In the mid of 2017 or 18, I have heard about that it contains some wine like product. That's why people also prefer that.
So Priya, can we make the turmeric thing also as cool? I mean, taste wise, or even appearance wise, if the young generation starts uh, asking for, okay, I want a turmeric,
Turmeric
turm-
milk. Yeah,
turmeric milk. So that might
yeah, yeah.
help, right?
Yeah, that might help. Yeah, that might help. And I think Amul has also made Amul Cool Milk and all. Amul has also made this, and my one of the friend is making sattu. You might be knowing him.
I know Sattu's Santosh, I think.
Yeah, sattu.
Sattosh.com founder. I know Santosh. So yeah. So Sattu is one of the healthiest
Ring.
drink, and yeah, drinks. So once Sattu become like when I am traveling in Delhi, especially in
Yeah,
summer, or even in Patna, wherever I'm traveling in India, uh, on the street side there are people who are selling this Sattu drink, or even not only Sattu, even a Nimbu Pani drink or anything. I just drink those instead of you drinking soda.
yeah, shikanji and all, right? So lassi.
And
Yeah, yeah,
banta
Indian.
also, sometimes banta also.
Yeah. That kind of thing means like you are there only, sir. Like in, you would be like taking Red Bull. Red Bull is a kind of thing, or Biba. Means we wear Biba, especially women may wear Biba. But it I have learned in my MBA that it is for only it is only for the creamy layer people. And why they are giving 50% off, we didn't understand at some short of time, at 2 month, after 2 month, the dresses of 10,000 is getting in 5,000, or the
So
drinks they are giving for free.
So
What is it
the
costing?
idea there is, Priya, is to get you addicted to that. So once you get used to that phone or that dress or whatever the thing they're selling, once you get used to it, and then the peer pressure will come, everybody else is doing, and then they will start charging much higher prices. So that
Yeah, they're
branding size,
impulsive. Yeah,
yeah.
impulsive or impulse. Just we are not addicted. We cannot say that addicted. Why we will waste our 125 rupees? Means like for uh, if we will addicted, we will waste our 125 rupees or 130 rupees per hour. and it will be cost very high. But yeah,
We can
there
have
are
we,
impulse. Yeah,
we can have a nimbu pani, literally just a
okay.
nimbu and salt or sugar at home, and that is healthier, that's tastier, or even lassi type of thing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But
I
most
was
people would
talking
prefer
about
other.
No, but
turmeric
Red
water,
Bull is an energy drink,
turmeric
like
milk, sir.
Nimbu Pani. I don't think Nimbu
So, but it
Pani
has a negative
can give
effect.
you much energy.
But it has a negative effect. So it's a
Yeah,
short-term energy boost, but long-term energy drain.
instant, yeah, instant energy. It gives instant energy.
And maybe some aerobic exercise might help in that case for instant energy.
Yeah, yeah, sir. That also, but and I guess that they are means I saw the video and all the things. I guess that they are just investing in the marketing, and that's that popular. The cane is popular. I think it is a normal thing, and costing is also very low, and they are just because if the marketing strategy was like, if a girl will offer you anything, means like Red Bull, then you will take it up. And it's like that, if you will go to the party, you will not take what turmeric milk or nimbu pani and all. Yeah, but we in the restaurant also, Atul, so you as you know, and Arithro, you also know that they are serving mojito and all. It's like only pudina water and soda there,
In
and
fact,
they are
so in fact, I
yeah,
do that. So whenever I go to a restaurant, even US, I actually ask them, can I have nimu pani or lime soda, whatever they get. So I try to ask that instead of drink cold drink, give me nimu pani. And most places, these are, I find them.
yeah, but of 10 rupees nimbu pani, they would be charging 100 rupees or
Ha,
110 rupees.
that's
Yeah,
true.
yeah.
That's true.
Yeah, that's only presentation. That's what I was saying, that the cane is powerful, not the product inside it. Because it would be only nimbu and pani, and not
Hmm.
other than that, and the ice cubes.
Uh,
Which,
I'm paying for the ice, literally paying for the ice and the cane. Most people,
yeah,
right?
yeah. Yeah, and you in the restaurant you are paying for the glasses, not and the ambience, not other than that. Yeah, it's about presentation. They are not selling the uh, energy drink. They are selling the presentation only,
The
and it's all about
experience.
yeah, experience. No, experience is like, if you will travel or do anything, it's called experience. Uh, I can't say experience. It's a presentation. What they are selling.
So, do you think Red Bull is popular in India?
It's, it's already very popular because so much of money and so much of advertising. So young generation wants to look cool, right? And coolness is a big thing everywhere. So if Red Bull is cool, just drinking a Red Bull makes them cool. People will drink Red Bull and are not drinking Red Bull. But nimbu pani or just a hot water or even plain, even iced water is not cool enough. So people want colored, the fudge. Like for example, many of the cold drinks, there is because of the carbonation and soda, there's a fudge that or the jing thing. So I remember those ads from Gold Spot and Limca and others. For example, Pepsi and Thumbs Up. So people pay for that whole. They want to be cool. They want to have that the latest. I am pretty, uh, especially for young generation. That's very important.
Not that, sir. Yeah, coolness is a sign. Yeah, but people will be aged, and they will think about their health. Ultimately, yeah, it's like a tag. Yeah, coolness is like a tag that they are investing money in the Apple phone, in the
Even old people
Happy
want to be
Meal.
cool. Priya, even the old people would like to be cool.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I see in the Facebook and all the things, they wanted to be cool every time. Like, yeah.
So anyway, I
Yes.
was into another Clubhouse call, but I thought I should jump in. So can I go back to my other call?
Oh yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah,
sure,
sir.
sir.
You might be busy.
Sure,
Okay,
sir.
Yeah,
bye.
share some links, sir. That can be good for me also. Okay.
So
Thank you, Alex.
what link?
It means like the entrepreneurship link, the
So you're
startup discussion link.
so you're part of those groups, right? The Young Entrepreneurs Network and Bharat Entrepreneurs Network and all those. I hope.
I was the part of earlier young
I am the
entrepreneurs.
part of Young
You're part of
Entrepreneurs
Yana,
Network.
huh? So the multiple groups which I have, I'm focusing more on Young Entrepreneurs Network because for that we are having a meeting every Saturday, once a week,
Okay.
and so and over Zoom only. So 8 p.m. IST every Saturday 8 p.m. IST. So in case you are not, I will share the link with both of you, Priya and Aitra.
Yeah.
ठीक ठीक है okay then
Okay,
bye.
thank you, sir.
Thank
Jai
you,
Hind,
sir.
Jai Bharat, sir.
Okay, Priya, I guess time is up for now. So thank you for coming and have a
Okay,
good night.
thank you, Alex.
Thank you.
Good night.